Welcome back to Planning Disney and Universal for Beginners. Today we're going to talk about when the best time is to go to Disney. So everybody's best time is going to be different. I broke it down into different categories that might be what you're looking for. The first one is when it's most cost effective. And so these times are going to be typically right when kids are going back to school after long breaks. So in January, August through September. Lowest crowds are going to typically go the same time as your cost effective, because whenever the crowds are lowest is when they're going to give you the best deals. So for these, January, other than the first few days, obviously, because in Martin Luther King weekend, because on holidays it's going to be more crowded because people are off school again. So through the first 2 weeks of February, so January through the first 2 weeks of February, the beginning of May, August, especially towards the end of the month, through September, and then the first 2 weeks of December. The coolest temperatures are normally December through February. November is actually my favorite time to go because it is decorated for Christmas, which is my favorite holiday at Disney. It feels extra magical. And then also the weather is really nice typically. Florida weather is very unpredictable, so it's hard to tell. One year we were there on Thanksgiving and it was 90 degrees high humidity. The following year we were there Thanksgiving again and it was in the 40s and 50s and rainy. So it just all depends. But typically November weather will still be warmer, but not too hot that you're miserable. If you're looking to go on specific festivals, there's the Festival of Arts, which is mid-January through February. And these dates change all the time. The Flower and Garden Festival typically is mid-March through early July. Food and Wine Festival, they just announced the dates this year. It's not happening until the end of August. Normally it's mid-July through early November. And the Festival of the Holidays is November through December. And then again for holidays, if you want to go a really cool experience, if you go October 31st, that week, Disney is completely decorated for Halloween, and then the last Halloween party, which is normally on October 31st, they take everything down overnight, and then the next day it's all decorated for Christmas. So if you want to see both sets of holidays, then that's the perfect time to go. If you are a runner and looking for one of the Run Disney weekends, the marathon is the first weekend of January. Now, again, these times are going to be very busy, so if you're not a runner looking to do one of the races, then I suggest you stay away these weekends. The Princess Half Marathon is the last weekend of February. Springtime Surprise is mid-April, and the Wine and Dine Half Marathon is typically the first week in November. If you're ready to start planning, I would love to help you plan the perfect vacation for you. So fill out this form if you scan the QR code. It's also in the comments. I'll give you the link, and I will help you pick the perfect time to go for your family. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get notified whenever our next podcast comes, and comment below with what topic you would like me to cover next.